What up? You wanna say something?
Hello.
Okay, so we are video blogging.
Yes, that is very funny.
Very funny. In Copenhagen.
This one would like to this.
Going for a walk in Copenhagen. Yes, let's do this. Video blogging. Noob. Dr. Martens. The most awesome video blog ever. Very cold and grey and windy day in Copenhagen.
Yes, it's Saturday. No, it's Friday's day.
It's really awkward to vlog in Denmark
Yes.
because we don't speak English normally. So it's really strange to hold up a camera and talk English
So
to
it's
the
just
camera.
like we are tourists.
Yeah, we pretend like we are not Danish. We pretend
Yes.
we are tourists.
So then, yeah, nobody can say I'm bad.
Then nobody can say shit.
Yes.
But unfortunately, we got Danish accents.
Yes.
So I don't know if it's working.
Oh look, they need to see this river. The river. Og prøv at kigge, der er mega stejlt faktisk.
You don't want to fall down into the river.
So right now we're just going for a walk.
Yeah, and we arrived last night very late.
Yes.
In the middle of the night at 3 or 4 a.m.
Yes.
So we just arrived and went to sleep, and then we woke up and now we're walking. And we just had breakfast
Yes.
at almost 1 p.m.
Yes, and that was the hot dog.
The hot
with
dog,
bacon.
yeah. And it was really expensive. Anything
Yes.
you buy in Denmark is really expensive. Things are just expensive here.
Yes.
So
Yeah, in Copenhagen, the things is kind of expensive.
yeah, but they're expensive all around
Yes.
Denmark. And we are not used to vlogging, so it's a little strange.
Yes.
But yeah, it's nice being here.
Yes. And there is a cannon.
Right over there. Can you see?
And the grass, we're not allowed to walk on that.
Yeah, you're not allowed to walk on the grass. If you walk on the grass, then some security man in like a uniform, he might come
Shoot.
over
Yeah.
and shoot you. No.
And then maybe give you a warning.
Yeah,
and
he
if
will
you
give you a
don't-
warning. He
doesn't
doesn't
go
shoot
back,
you,
then
but
he
it
maybe
looks really
shoot you.
dangerous.
Yes.
Yeah,
So it's stupid to do.
yeah. They don't allow you to walk on the grass. But there are no like security guards today, really. But
No. I think it's maybe because they may be doing some else.
yeah, maybe they do something else. But last time we were here in the summer, there were guards.
Because right now is the what date is it right now?
It's the 14th of November.
Yes, Friday.
Yeah, Friday.
So it's
I
kind of
think.
cold. That's
Yeah.
why we wear
We're in the
hats
middle of
and-
November,
Yes.
so gloves and hats and sweaters
Yes.
and everything because it is really cold. That's the Danish weather for you.
Show them the
Building.
buildings. Yes.
I'm not quite sure what that is.
No, but it's
But-
some very old thingy.
Thingy. But it's nice to vlog up here because we're not surrounded by any people
yes.
and nobody can really hear us.
Yes.
So it's really private.
And if they think what are you doing, then we can just say we're just Skyping with someone.
We're Skyping with ourselves.
Yes, with ourselves.
With our twins looking exactly like us.
Yes. We also have another brother, but he's not here right now.
No, he's not with us. So it's only me and my youngest little brother. And our dad. But he's not with us right now.
Because he's doing... our second brother, he's doing something with the school.
Yeah. He's with his school on like a field
camp or
trip.
something,
Yeah,
yes.
some kind of camp. And
right now we're recording with an iPhone 5, I think.
yeah. And that's my phone.
Yes. And there is... up here there's a lot of, old things. There's a lot of cannons and stuff.
But I think we might have to end the vlog now because I think we are going down to meet with our dad.
Yes.
But we might vlog something later.
Yes. So goodbye from now.
Goodbye for now. Bye. We are at this fountain, but we can't vlog anymore because there are other people here
Yes.
and they're gonna think we are crazy. But this is a little bit of Copenhagen.
So that's easy.
I am showing them. So this is the fountain, and we are really close to the Little Mermaid.
And you're supposed to throw money.
And you're supposed to throw coins in the fountain.
And then wish.
And then make a wish, and we just did that. So we hope our wishes come true. We are at an apartment now, and we're just chilling, and it looks like this.
There's very, very long down.
Yeah, it's very far up. But we're about to eat
We
again.
At the 10th
10th floor,
floor, yes.
and it's pretty damn far up. As you can see here, there's a long way down.
Så det kan også være, det var godt for mig.
Look at this. Say hello.
Hello.
Tell them what you're eating.
I don't know.
Sugar-coated almonds.
Hvad?
Smile. Vil du hellere være med? So, we are at this club
Yes.
and we don't know if you can hear us, but hello.
We're going home soon.
Okay, so it's day 2 and I look crazy because I'm about to do my makeup. But yeah, I just woke up and it's time to get going. So I'll see you guys soon. So we are now in the car and we are about to do something,
Yes.
but we don't know what. We are going to an art museum
Yes.
and yeah, then we're going home. And there's an old lady.
But it's been very funny.
It's been very fun and we were at KFC last night.
Yes, and it didn't taste very good.
No, we're not that big of a fans of
And this is where we
KFC.
lived. Show me where we lived.
No, we will not show them where we lived.
Oh no, then there's come some pedophiles.
So pedophiles.
And we went shopping. I bought something. I can show
Yeah.
you.
He bought some hats. Show them the hats. Yeah, that's one of the hats that he bought.
And then I also
Mario.
bought a monkey hat
Yeah, he bought a monkey hat as well.
and some cards.
And some Yu-Gi-Oh cards. And I bought some makeup. And that's it.
Yes,
So now we are going to the art museum and then we're going home.
yes.
So yeah. Say bye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Nu skal jeg også med. Om det er smart lavet her. Den anden, prøv at se den næste. Kører bare ind allerede.
So we are back in the car. We just went and got the car washed. And now
Yes.
we are going to the museum.
And it was for sale. And every time you get a car wash, you get something. So we got some Lego from it.
Ugh! You almost punched me in the face, you little fucker.
Just because
Yeah.
they, every time you buy something there, you get some free Lego.
Yeah, right now.
Yes.
Because they're doing some collaboration.
Yes.
So that's great. Show them your hat. That's the monkey hat. So pretty. But yeah, hopefully now we are going to the Louisiana Museum.
And then we can get home.
And then we're going home. Yeah, that's it.
Yes. So, see ya.
See ya. Hello there.
Hello again.
Hello again. So, we are done being at the art
Museum. Louisiana
Yes.
was the name.
So now we are going
Home.
Yay!
And we got some food.
Yeah.
And
And it was cold.
yeah, because we needed to eat it outside, so it was very cold. And we are going home soon.
Yeah.
In
But
just 5 minutes.
but the drive home takes 5 hours. So
Yes.
we won't be home before late tonight.
No.
It's like, I don't know, 4 p.m. right now. So we'll be home. We'll probably be home around 9, maybe a little later.
And maybe we're going to McDonald's because we need
Yeah.
some food. And
We'll probably go
and
to
maybe
McDonald's.
I don't know if we'll vlog there because we
No.
think it's awkward to vlog in public.
And I could really eat some cake right now.
I hate cake.
I love cake.
But
Yeah.
but I don't know if we'll vlog while we're driving. It's been a funny trip.
It's been a fun trip.
And
we saw a lot of things.
Yes. We
And it
only
was
was
good.
here 2 days.
Yeah, not even 2 full days.
No, and we saw a lot of these days. I think the last day, that was the funniest, at Saturday. That was the funniest day, I
Yeah,
think.
today.
Yeah. No, I mean Friday. I think that was the
That
funniest
was
day.
the first day.
Yes, and that was the
First
whole
day,
day.
Friday.
It's very dark, so I don't know if you can see. But
But yeah, it has been good.
yes, and I got my Mario hat.
Yeah, which you can barely see.
Yes, and my monkey hat.
Monkey and Mario.
But yeah, it's gonna be a long way home, 5
Yeah.
hours. But
So long, so tired.
yes,
But yeah, anyways, I guess we will end the vlog now.
yes, and you maybe get some photos of what we get on McDonald's.
Yeah.
We don't know.
We don't know that yet. But if not, then
Goodbye.
goodbye and thank you for watching. And
Remember to like
comment and subscribe or something like that. What more?
my channel.
My little brother has a channel as well.
But if you will, you can check it out. But it's gaming video, so it doesn't make that much sense.
It's gaming videos.
But I have 155 subscribers, so I know how to do it.
He has a channel as well, and I will link it down in the down bar. And
It's called a description.
What?
It was funny to vlog this trip.
You are all dark.
Yeah.
That's a little better. But yeah,
Yeah.
I think we're going to go now.
Yes.
So have a good day,
Goodbye.
and we'll see you later.
Yes.
Bye bye.